Welcome to the land of numbers. When the sun starts to set, the numbers in the classroom are getting ready to sleep. Do you want to come with me and see who is still awake? Hello, number 1. In a magical classroom, the number 1 is a special helper. During the day, it guides students to learn and play. It helps them count, read, and share. Number 1 loves to cheer everyone on, making learning fun. At night, when the stars shine bright, number 1 watches over the classroom. It whispers stories to the books and sings lullabies to the pencils. Number 1 dreams of new adventures, ready to help again when the sun rises. Can you cuddle the number 1 and say goodnight? Good night, number 1. What's up? Number 2. In a beautiful classroom, the number 2 was very busy. During the day, it helped children count and solve math problems. It loved to play games with the kids, making learning fun. At night, when everyone went home, the number 2 would dance around the classroom, organizing the books and toys. It whispered stories to the stars outside, sharing secrets of numbers. The number 2 made sure the classroom was ready for another exciting day. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the number 2? Good night, number 2. Look who we got. Number 3. In a bright classroom, the number 3 loved to help students learn. During the day, it danced around, teaching kids how to add and subtract. It showed them fun patterns and shared stories about its adventures with 1 and 2. At night, when the classroom was quiet, number 3 transformed into a star. It twinkled in the sky, reminding everyone of the fun they had. The number 3 brought joy and learning both day and night. Can you give a smack to number 3 and say goodnight? Good night, number 3. Hi there, number 4. In a cheerful classroom, the number 4 was always busy. During the day, it helped students with their shapes and colors. It loved to play games, like counting to 4 and making 4-leaf clovers. Everyone enjoyed its company. At night, when the stars shone bright, number 4 became a wise owl. It flew around, watching over the sleeping children, whispering dreams of math and magic. The number 4 brought fun and wisdom, both day and night. Can you embrace number 4 and say goodnight? Goodnight, number 4. How are you? Number 5. In a lively classroom, the number 5 was full of energy. During the day, it taught students to count to 5 and helped them with their fingers. Number 5 loved to sing songs and play games like 5 Little Ducks. Everyone laughed and learned together. At night, when the moon glowed softly, number 5 turned into a friendly firefly. It danced around the room, lighting up dreams and inspiring creativity. The number 5 brought happiness and fun, both day and night. Can you hug number 5 and say goodnight? Goodnight, number 5. Look who showed up. Number 6. In a delightful classroom, the number 6 was always ready for fun. During the day, it helped students learn about time and patterns. Number 6 loved to play games like 6 Silly Squirrels, making everyone giggle and learn together. At night, when the stars twinkled, number 6 became a playful fox. It roamed the classroom, sharing stories of adventures and dreams. The number 6 brought excitement and joy, making every moment special, both day and night. Can you help the number 6 settle down and say goodnight? Goodnight, number 6. Hello there. Number 7. In an attractive classroom, the number 7 was a true friend. During the day, it helped students explore the wonders of the week and taught them about the 7 colors of the rainbow. Number 7 loved to play 7 jumps, making everyone laugh and learn. At night, when the moon was bright, number 7 turned into a wise turtle. It slowly wandered the room, sharing secrets of dreams and adventures. The number 7 brought joy and wisdom, both day and night. Can you wave to number 7 and say goodnight? Goodnight, number 7. Look who we have here. Number 8. In a fascinating classroom, the number 8 was always full of questions. During the day, it helped students learn about infinity and patterns. Number 8 loved to play 8 skating snails, making everyone giggle and learn together. At night, when the stars twinkled, number 8 became a curious owl. It flew around the room, exploring dreams and sharing stories. The number 8 brought excitement and wonder, making every moment special, both day and night. Can you say goodnight to number 8 and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, number 8. How do you do? Number 9. In a brilliant classroom, the number 9 was always ready to help. During the day, it taught students about groups of 9 and how to count backwards. Number 9 loved to play 9 nifty ninjas, making everyone laugh and learn. At night, when the moon shone bright, number 9 turned into a glowing star. It sparkled in the sky, guiding dreams and inspiring creativity. The number 9 brought joy and magic, making every moment special, both day and night. Can you blink slowly to number 9 and whisper good night? Good night, number 9. Look who we have. Number 10. In a happy classroom, the number 10 was a leader. During the day, it helped students learn to count to 10 and taught them about teamwork. Number 10 loved to play 10 tiny turtles, where everyone worked together and had fun. At night, when the stars twinkled, number 10 became a shining comet. It zoomed across the sky, bringing dreams of adventure and friendship. The number 10 filled hearts with joy and wonder, making every moment special, both day and night. Can you kiss to number 10 and say goodnight? Good night, number 10. As the school becomes quiet and the stars twinkle, all the numbers have found their cozy spots and are falling asleep. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all the numbers we met today. Good night, little one. Good night, numbers.